affordable housing for all. India, the land with a rich heritage of art, culture and technology. Technology that remains unparalleled even today. The rustless wonder called Ashoka Pillar. India gave the world the mind game of chess, the concept of zero. Nalanda, the world's first university. Man has forever been on the quest to develop appropriate housing for himself. Acumen grew hand in hand with technology, and emerging socio-economic realities forced man to hunt for alternative ideas for the ideal home, hearth and habitat. In order to bring it all under one organized umbrella so that its benefits reach the masses, a need was felt to bridge the gap from the lab to the land. BMTPC, Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council, bridging the gap from the lab to the land. Set up in 1990 as an interministerial organization under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation to bridge the gap between laboratory research and field-level application in the area of sustainable building materials, appropriate construction technologies, including disaster-resistant construction, BMTPC is not just an acronym for the Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council of the Government of India. Today, it stands for a lot more. A silent yet proud architect of India's trailblazing success story in the ever-evolving housing sector, BMTPC focuses on cost reduction and employment generation, energy efficiency in materials production, disaster mitigation and management, and environmental protection through technology intervention. As structures with conventional materials take a toll on natural resources, BMTPC works hand in hand with the building and construction sector to promote the wider adoption of cost-effective, green, energy-efficient, safe building materials and construction technologies. The main objectives of BMTPC are to promote development, production, standardization and large-scale application of cost-effective, innovative building materials and construction technologies, to promote manufacturing of new waste-based building materials and components, to develop and promote methodologies and technologies for natural disaster mitigation and management, to promote S&T services to professionals, construction agencies and entrepreneurs in the area of building materials and construction, to promote capacity building and skill development through training of village artisans and craftsmen. 72% of power generated in India is from thermal power stations, which results in the production of a byproduct of about 140 million tons of fly ash every year. Besides air and water pollution, the disposal of this fly ash results in extensive land wastage. R&D indicates that bricks and hollow blocks that are durable and of high quality can be produced using this fly ash as raw material. It has been found that fly ash can be advantageously utilized in all concrete constructions. Bamboo has been engineered to be more durable for construction. Recognizing the urgent requirement for expedient and cost-effective roofing technology for northeastern and other bamboo-growing regions and disaster-prone areas, a technology for manufacturing laminated bamboo matte corrugated roofing sheets has been developed in collaboration with the Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute, Bangalore. It is a competent alternative to existing roofing sheets. These sheets are highly water, weather, termite and decay resistant. The bamboo mat ridge cap has also been developed. For the treatment of bamboo-based products and to facilitate factory standard provision of the finished products, the Council has established various bamboo mat production centers at Koifung in Tripura and Sairang and Bualpui in Mizoram, along with centers at Sokarmongtlu in Meghalaya. the Council has completed construction of demonstration structures using bamboo-based technologies in Agartala, Ambassa and Kailasahar in Tripura and in Mizoram and Meghalaya. As a part of its activity, BMTPC has helped in the development of a number of non-traditional building materials, components and systems and machinery for their manufacture. BMTPC has always taken the initiative and the lead in promoting R&D and development of low-energy machines for production of building components. The Performance Appraisal Certification Scheme, or PACS, being operated by BMTPC, is a third-party voluntary scheme for providing performance appraisal certificate to manufacturers or installers of a product to bridge the gap between the development and standardization at national level. The PAC helps to introduce innovations and new developments into the sector. It promotes new materials for cost reduction, speedier construction, better quality, checks and balances, and more significantly, environmental protection. Prototype development is an important aspect of transfer of technology from lab to land. The Council advises entrepreneurs in technology selection, prototype development, commercial production and marketing. The Council has organized several exhibitions, workshops, training programs, seminars and conferences in collaboration with international agencies at Uganda, Turkey, Kenya, Tanzania, Venezuela, Trinidad and Tobago, Mozambique, Zambia, Botswana and Ethiopia. A large number of entrepreneurs from these countries have sought help in procuring technology from India for their housing programs. Due to the Council's efforts, CPWD has included some innovative products such as fly ash bricks, prefab components, etc. in its products list to be used by the construction industry. The Council helps in production of simple building components using local materials, skills and manpower for creating confidence in use of new materials and technologies. Major thrust areas: improving the policy environment for sustainable growth of cost-effective building materials, production and availability. Promotion of production units of building materials and components based on industrial waste, agricultural residues, other wastes and byproducts. Modernization of small-scale and village-level building materials production units in rural and urban areas. Construction of demonstration structures to showcase appropriate technology and wider dissemination. Formulation of standards for innovative building materials and construction technologies. Strengthening industrial extension services for attracting more investment in building materials sector. Identification, evaluation, standardization and promotion of new emerging technology to bring cost-effective energy saving with speed and structural safety. Assessing vulnerability and risk in natural disaster-prone areas. Promoting natural hazard-resistant construction technologies. Global technology search and encouraging joint ventures in building materials and construction sector. Development of low-energy machines for production of building components. To develop work specification and analysis of rate of alternate materials and technologies.
BMTPC is mandated to evolve comprehensive and integrated mechanism for promotion and transfer of low-cost, energy-efficient, eco-friendly, innovative building materials and construction technologies from lab to their field-level applications. We work as repository so as to provide solutions to one and all, especially common man, in the area of sustainable building materials, appropriate construction technologies and systems with an overall objective to create enabling environment of affordable housing for all.
BMTPC initiated establishment of demonstration cum production centers for manufacture of cost-effective building components. The proud example of this is the sample houses at Bhavana that encourages and promotes public acceptance of the new technology. Ministry of HUPA entrusted BMTPC with the construction of model demonstration housing projects in Nagpur in Maharashtra, Dehradun in Uttarakhand, Bilaspur in Chhattisgarh, Kudalu in Karnataka, and Trichy in Tamil Nadu. Recognizing the threat we are constantly under from natural hazards like earthquakes, cyclones, floods, tsunami, and landslides, BMTPC has taken several proactive and path-breaking steps to provide technical and policy support for improving the level of our preparedness against such calamities. One such significant contribution is the publishing of the Vulnerability Atlas of India, comprising hazard maps. It is a unique document which is an indispensable tool for pre-disaster proactive approach in disaster management that has been recognized by the UNCHS Habitat 2 as a first-of-its-kind gesture in the world. BMTPC undertook rapid damage assessment studies after the earthquakes of Uttarkashi, Latur, Jabalpur, Chamoli and Kutch, the cyclones of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, East and West Godavari districts and Gujarat, and the floods in Punjab and Haryana. BMTPC has gained major achievement in retrofitting the lifeline in J&K and Gujarat areas. In the post-Gujarat earthquake rebuilding program, 442 buildings were retrofitted and 477 new model houses constructed. Training was also provided to 5,500 masons and 50 field engineers in construction of buildings using disaster-resistant technologies and reconstruction of damaged buildings. The Council has also carried out seismic retrofitting of the Kupwara Sub-Divisional Hospital in J&K. In the capital, as a demonstration case, the Council has carried out seismic retrofitting of few schools of MCD in different zones. BMTPC is playing a key role in the following: awareness generation for disaster-resistant construction, assessment of vulnerability of different types of buildings, retrofitting and strengthening of existing buildings, including schools, hospitals, and construction of demonstration buildings, capacity enhancement of urban local bodies to enforce compliance of techno-legal regime, capacity building through training of artisans, masons, and supervisors. This brings us to that pertinent question of what the future holds.
In future also, BMTPC would be constructing houses in nook and corner of India so as to sensitize and build confidence amongst masses about the alternate and appropriate technologies.
The new age materials identified and promoted by the Council are being used by the construction workers with ease. The masons trained in such technology are finding it easy to use and are carrying their knowledge with them and spreading it around. A powerhouse of energy, backed by fresh ideas and sharply honed skills. A center of excellence, readies itself for new challenges, new opportunities. BMTPC is all set to be a world-class knowledge and dissemination hub in the area of sustainable building materials, appropriate construction technologies and systems, including disaster-resistant construction. The mission is to work towards a comprehensive and integrated approach for promotion and transfer of potential, cost-effective, environment-friendly, disaster-resistant building materials and technologies, including locally available materials from lab to land for sustainable development of housing. BMTPC has established its own benchmarks and carved out a reputation of unshakable credibility and a proven track record for path-breaking innovative initiatives. BMTPC is venturing into areas so far unknown so that the urban poor can get an affordable and durable shelter. Come, share the experience with BMTPC in providing safe and affordable housing for all.